Kitchen plants enhance air quality, reduce stress, and provide fresh herbs, fostering a healthier and more enjoyable cooking environment. Some kitchen-friendly plants you can grow in your kitchen. Basil, great for culinary use. Basil is easy to grow on a sunny windowsill. Mint can thrive in a kitchen, and you can use it for teas and cooking. Rosemary, this fragrant herb does well in bright light and adds flavor to dishes. Spider plant, known for air purifying qualities, it's a resilient choice for kitchens. Aloe vera, it's a low-maintenance plant that's handy for treating minor burns and skin irritations. Consider the available light and your gardening skills when choosing a plant for your kitchen. Having plants indoors can connect you with nature, even in urban settings. Growing herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint in the kitchen provides fresh ingredients for cooking. Caring for plants can be therapeutic and reduce stress. The sight of greenery can also have a calming effect. Many kitchen plants, like snake plants and pothos, help purify the air by removing toxins and releasing oxygen. Mini pots can be used to grow kitchen plants, especially herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary. These small pots are ideal for limited space and can thrive on windowsills or countertops, providing fresh ingredients for your culinary needs. Using kitchen waste as fertilizer is an eco-friendly practice. Composting items like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells can create nutrient-rich compost for your garden or houseplants. This reduces waste, enriches soil, and promotes sustainable gardening.